Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Wasim Lodi and I am representing Bola Gema, Pakistan. We are here for our exhibition at this 7th edition of Expo Pakistan. Bola Gema is an organization that is producing sports goods. We are based in Sialkot, Pakistan. We are manufacturers of sporting balls, sportswear and sports bags. Bola Gema is SA 8000 certified. We are members of World Federation of Sporting Goods Industry Switzerland. We are members with the PSI network. We are category A manufacturers with IMAC that cares for child labor issue in Pakistan. Bola Gema believes in producing quality products and supplying its client all over the world. We are based in Sialkot, but we are operating all over European Union. We are selling to the United States. We are selling to Australia and to the Middle East market. Our main products are sports balls that includes professional balls and promotional balls. We are catering with a lot of international brands like Unilever we are supplying to. Then there are many international football brands that are working with Bola Gema. Many clubs that we are supplying with our products. Major range of our production is sportswear that mainly covers sports shirts and sports shorts and training bibs. Then we are doing some sports bags for the clubs and for associations. We regularly exhibit at the PSI show in Düsseldorf, the ISPO show in Munich, PPI show in Las Vegas, USA. And at this exhibition, Expo Pakistan, we are getting a very good response here from buyers that are visiting this expo. Besides, there are some buyers from Turkey, from Bangladesh, from other Middle Eastern countries that have shown interest in our products, and they are much satisfied with the quality that we are offering here. Bola Gema believes in quality and we look forward to have more orders from our regular buyers, and we are looking forward to new buyers who wants to have a quality supplier. We believes in working in partnership with our buyers, and we are not looking for a one-time order or a second-time order. So the philosophy behind our manufacturing, our production and our team is supplying quality and making a commitment that will make our buyer to repeat their orders. Thank you very much.